How to fix a user is already registered when this email in FPL. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are receiving this message, it means that the email address you're trying to use is already associated with an existing FPL account. So here are some solutions that you can try. First of all, verify your email address. Double check that you're entering the correct email address with no typos and extra spaces. Second option is to recover your existing account. If you have previously created an account with this email, you can recover it by tapping on Forgot Password. It will then send you a code to your email address and you should be good to go. Consider whether you may have multiple FPL accounts. If you have used the same email for more than one account, try to remember any variation or related emails you might have used. Another option is, instead of creating a new account, you must attempt to log in into your existing PL account with this email address. If successful, you'll be able to access your team and make all necessary changes. If this does not work, you'll have to try a different email address. And if none of the all solutions work, the best solution would be contacting the FPL support to get the solution. So that is all for today's video. If you have any queries, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section. Till then, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.